15 Topps Supreme Football just released today on Leap Day, February 29th, 2016, the extra day of the year. $90 a box. You get one autograph or a mem. And let's see what the box looks like. It is just me today, Kenny. Oh, I guess it would help to open it this way, wouldn't it? I must have bought a bundle of those. Okay. I'm sure these cards are nice looking like they have been in the past. Yeah. Okay. Eli Manning, 12/99. That's nice. Looks like they're going to be fun to sleep and load those die cuts. Jimmy Graham base. They are pretty decent looking. Jameson Winston, 98/194. And for the hit of the Pittsburgh Steelers, Jesse James, 5/50. So, and the chances of autograph this year are like 3-1 this year. So better odds for autograph. And now available at Kenny's. Thanks.